Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Val Ngige, and if it's your first time here, welcome, karibu sana, and please subscribe for more videos. And if you are a returning subscriber, kama kawaida, thank you for staying tuned. So guys, today is another day and Sis is going out and vlogging. So today is the day that I'm actually going to get my brows. I'm excited. You guys saw my video the last time when it was on Tuesday. My video on, was it Tuesday or Wednesday? Okay. And I was trying to go to town and then I got late. So today I'm leaving the house. It's around right now 8:43. It's 8:43 in the morning, but this day looks beautiful. As in, the weather is just amazing. Hakuna jua na hakuna mvua, because that is what I was fearing. So my outfit of the day is this denim jacket, thrifted, this pull neck top that has a bare back, thrifted, my black jeans, white belt, and I don't know whether you guys can see my white mules. So I'm not sure whether white mules was a good idea, but mimi navaa tu anyway. Where kwenye naishi hakuna matope sana, so I'm really hoping, because it's town and then Nairobi and then back home, so no matopes. So guys, thank you for watching my video last time. So in today's post, in today's notification, shout out goes to George Minor. It is okay, he's the only person when nimepata the notification, guys, but I'm still working on it. I'll give you all shout outs. So today we are going to be shouting out George Minor. Thank you for subscribing, George. So guys, wacheni nitembe. I'm going to pass by Annie's place because I'm supposed to pick some stuff from her and then niende. So I'll talk to you guys later. So guys, I'm back. This is me editing the video, and then I realized that I've not told you guys what I feel about these brows, because honestly I have a love-hate kind of relationship. Bila makeup, this is how I look. Don't you guys think I look surprised? If you tell me, leave a comment down in the comment section. This is how I look bila makeup. Yeah, so siko sure. Honestly, I miss myself. Be lazy vitu. Oh my god. What do we humans want? What do we want? Honestly, what do we want? Because what? But I love this one. It's my favorite. This one, I feel like haikuja kabisa. Like kuna parts zimetoka. You see what I'm saying? Yeah. I feel like hii haikukauka vizuri, but this one is perfect. Na funny enough alikuwa anaanza na hii, because I remember alikuwa anaanza na hii. So yeah, that's it guys. So guys, I'm here to end the vlog, this vlog, which was taken, I don't know, 2 days ago, but I'm here to end it looking all cute and pretty and glammed up. Na nimekula lip gloss yote. So yeah, I'm here to end the vlog. Niko kwa dirisha because it's around 6. Kuna giza kwa nyumba. And then so yeah, I got my brows tinted. I feel like bila makeup they look weird. Honestly, bila makeup they look so weird. I look like surprised. Okay, that was babe. Do alisema hivyo, babe alisema I look surprised. For me I felt like I look too dramatic on a plain face without makeup, but once I did my makeup today, I felt wow, I look so good. They look so good. What do you guys think? There they are. Yeah. Okay, honestly na try kuwapea close up. So yeah, there are my brows. Sinazipenda, they look so good. Oh my god, I can't imagine that I'll be doing makeup bila stress ya kufanya brows. I'm excited about that. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I keep looking at myself on the camera. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you've not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button down below, and also tell your friends, and also comment, and also share, and also give this video a thumbs up because it supports my channel. So guys, we've come to the end of this interesting vlog. Up until next time, bye bye, and work towards your dreams.